two before. Now when
what happened?
You know what happened with
Menzgold? What happened with Menzgold?
I don't wanna know. All I know is let me stop mentioning his name. What happened with Menzgold?
Yeah, what happened? Yes.
You tell me. You're the one that started.
So there's a business running. Yeah. Apparently, they say they don't have license to run the business. In my view, if you say the person doesn't have a permit to run the business, you regularize their business. You make sure they get a permit. Then you allow them to work. That's what I know. What's he saying? If you don't do that, then it's okay. Shut down business. What you need to do is to protect customers.
We do not live in the banana island.
I saw you on social media. Says, "Oh, Mami Sika." I'm saying, sir, your mother's money should have been paid to her before Menzgold should have been shut down. What did when people ask me, we don't even hear.
Bulldog, you cannot set
and who shut the Menzgold down? Who shut it down?
Against the Ghana Communication Authority and expect them to comply with you.
What do you mean?
You almost saying?
What do you mean? The people said they were shutting down to protect customers. Did your mother get her money?
Shutting down to protect customers? Yes. Because the Bank of Ghana came and told every customer it was a fraudulent deal. Why in a regulated banking system? Ghana. Apart from the Bank of Ghana, you can regulate a banking system.
What I'm saying?
How can you say so? Be financial institution.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
And
or you have something in your head you are talking about. Do you understand what I'm
saying? I'm listening to you. I'm replying to Bulldog.
Listen.
What say?
Listen.
They were operating and they didn't have the license. I won't forget
the government says they want to shut them down to protect customers. Customers should receive their money before they shut them down.
So where is the money? Is the money?
God, that's the government that shut it down. That's what I'm telling you. Are you listening?
The government shut down an illegal institution.
But they were taking tax on illegal business.
If there is an illegal hospital, you people will expect it.
You're not even listening. You're not even listening.
UTV and Amukoye Dr. B documentary. Say, or you fake.
Why are you digressing?
Abortion and Ameboa. Hospital Yantum. How can you open a financial institution and tell me, sir, government, let's say,
you can't answer it.
Bulldog,
the government,
you were working there.
I don't work at Menzgold. I don't work at Menzgold. I'm a customer. Yes, I'm a customer of Menzgold. That's why I'm angry.
Xylophone belongs to who?
I work at Xylophone. I don't work at Menzgold. So when you have an issue with Nana Afia Mensah, go and take it on.
I don't even know him. I don't even know that class.
Afia Bulldog. Thank you very much on Menzgold.
You don't even have money there, and I don't know why you are all over the place.
Do you think I put my money in Menzgold? I would rather eat my shit.
Do that.
Making me being.
Do that.
Instead of somebody do that. I will go and sit down and dine on my shit.
Somebody said, I'm coming to shut down business to help customers. You make sure that the business pays customers.
And Bulldog.
This is very simple. I don't know how you are thinking what I think.
Rather than put my money in Menzgold. I'm going to go toilet when I'm flashing.
If you are buying my men and no Cassandra, it's dear man. I'm a boy. But the Schwan is also an boyful. A cafe also who's some dear mouth.
Yes, ma'am.
What I say? Abu, and Afia. Thank you very much on Menzgold. The moment can be anyone my do be a sick man.
Oh, stand there ever. Nagana over Johnny on 24 years. I'm telling you. You're not going to finish in 4 years. Listen, my point is that me UTV. We'll see UTV. Just shut up. That's none of your business. No, you say I'm telling you. Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said it.
Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said the president cannot finish his 4 years. Is that right?
So what? I'm going to shoot the president or kill the president. What do you mean?
The things you are saying, I'll be calling. So that was how so that was how I sacrificed everything for the NDC 2016.
Okay.
Nana Mamika Semicho, one of the most saddest, sudden moment of my life. Oka semi kasemwa meme mo da ye me ya eche mi kunu wa eye da me so okay FM. Na me say NDC communicator bi ka say yen celebrities ye be endorsing NDC yen ye ma NDC eco opposition ama me worry on the 3rd of December 2016 NDC ni BNC. You can ask me to watch it. And ask everybody that came there. Me call campaign. Yeah, didn't say me one day with you and I'm my. Me call once a campaign the previous day. Me call and I'm car saying. Me call Krumo. The 3rd of December was Farmers' Day. After the time of ceremony, me call one upon and I me do Accra. Really? These are some of the sacrifices we did for the party without yeah they bet see it so because me make my NDC. Me yama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And let me clear this, me and John, we not get problem. Me and my father, we are very cool. Extremely cool. We don't have problem. But then we come to 2020. Me man no go free SHS. My children are going to school on Monday. They are going to almost start university Monday. Me ni pa bonini
university bang.
Bako ko Legon, Bako ko UPSA. They both got Legon, but Jim is one Pentecost, and then Opeso ABB with IT. So through the dean of faculty, we got him in UPSA, but they're in the same hostel in Legon and every other thing. My children went through free SHS. Some of us, in the beginning of free SHS, we didn't even want to listen. One, me, I am somebody that I felt Sebeden Kolako school free. A bad day. How can that be possible? Then I'm starting. However, it was 3 years, me makobi. Christianity is giving something to your brother at the expense of your joy. Ghana, ye kwa soyo kobo ye nsem sum nyame sa adieche Monday ni nua hye na ni mo traffic bukwa na ode kobo no.
O kan sisu say
me kan sisu say na wo say me ma enjoy free SHS there. I will campaign for free SHS. I campaign for the brand Akufo-Addo and his free SHS.
You didn't also campaign for the party just like you did for NDC?
No, I campaign.
You go for brands.
Free SHS. I go for policies. I've said this more than 5 years on radio that the youth of this nation should remove political t-shirts and hold politicians accountable. How can we do it? I grew up in South Africa. Why me 1 year? Found when baby I will. Also, when me insu no chawa my abeko. No be my.
Inti your switch was because of
free SHS. I believe in that policy. In 4 years, if they mess it up, they will go. If they don't mess it up, we will campaign. So you have a reason. Orphanages. This is what people don't know. Me, this is what I do. Orphanages. We beg people to make them house girls. Do you know how many of them are raped? Even men. But now they don't need it.
Okay, Afia, wait.
Afia, wait. One reason you're supporting NDC, then you are sitting here saying Menzgold is a scam. How do you say that?
Hey, Bulldog, you don't talk, please. As someone who can find it, you know. Yes, celebrities.
Ama, wait,